Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. Many people believe owning an HVAC company is an easy way to make money. They think all you need is a few technicians, some service trucks, and customers who need air conditioning. But is that really true? In reality, running an HVAC company is much more than installing air conditioners. It requires technical knowledge, skilled employees, excellent customer service, proper financial management, and the ability to solve problems every single day. In this video, we'll explain how HVAC companies actually make money, where they spend money, the biggest business challenges, and what it takes to build a successful HVAC company. Let's get started. What does an HVAC company really sell? Most people think an HVAC company sells air conditioners and heating systems. That's only part of the business. What an HVAC company really sells is professional service, technical expertise, fast response, reliable installation, maintenance, and customer trust. Customers can buy HVAC equipment from many suppliers, but they hire an HVAC company because they want experienced technicians who can install and repair the equipment correctly. In this business, reputation is often more valuable than the equipment itself. How does an HVAC company make money? An HVAC company earns revenue from several different services. One of the biggest sources of income is installing new HVAC systems in homes, offices, commercial buildings, and factories. Another important source is repair and troubleshooting services, where customers pay to diagnose and fix equipment problems. Many companies also generate steady income through preventive maintenance contracts, where customers pay for regular inspections and servicing throughout the year. Some businesses also earn income from ductwork installation, ventilation systems, indoor air quality products, system upgrades, controls, and replacement parts. Having multiple income sources helps keep the business stable throughout the year. Why skilled technicians are the most valuable asset? The success of an HVAC company depends heavily on its technicians. Even if a company owns expensive vehicles and equipment, it cannot grow without skilled people. Technicians diagnose faults, install systems, communicate with customers, and represent the company's reputation on every job. Well-trained technicians help reduce mistakes, improve customer satisfaction, and increase repeat business. For many HVAC companies, investing in employee training provides long-term benefits. The biggest expenses of an HVAC business. Running an HVAC company involves significant operating costs. Common expenses include employee salaries, service vehicles, fuel, tools, equipment, insurance, office expenses, software, marketing, inventory, licensing, permits, taxes, and employee training. Unexpected warranty work and emergency repairs can also increase operating costs. A successful company carefully manages these expenses while maintaining high-quality service. Why customer trust is so important? Most customers cannot easily determine whether an HVAC system is installed or repaired correctly. They depend on the technician's knowledge and honesty. Companies that explain problems clearly, provide transparent pricing, arrive on time, and stand behind their work often build long-term customer relationships. Satisfied customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend the company to family and friends. In many local markets, word-of-mouth referrals are one of the most valuable sources of new business. Why time is money in the HVAC industry? Every HVAC technician has a limited number of working hours each day. Every service truck can only complete a certain number of jobs before the day ends. If technicians spend too much time on one job because of poor planning or incorrect diagnosis, fewer customers can be served. Efficient scheduling, proper preparation, and accurate troubleshooting help increase productivity while maintaining quality service. For this reason, good time management is one of the keys to a profitable HVAC business. Why emergency service can be valuable? During extremely hot summers or cold winters, HVAC systems often fail when customers need them most. Emergency service calls usually require technicians to respond quickly, sometimes outside normal business hours. Many HVAC companies offer emergency service because customers value fast professional assistance during critical situations. Providing reliable emergency service can strengthen customer loyalty and generate additional business opportunities. The importance of maintenance contracts. Many successful HVAC companies do not rely only on emergency repairs. They encourage customers to purchase preventive maintenance agreements. Regular maintenance helps reduce equipment breakdowns, improve energy efficiency, extend equipment life, and identify small problems before they become expensive repairs. For the company, maintenance agreements provide a more predictable workflow and recurring revenue throughout the year. Why some HVAC companies struggle? Not every HVAC business becomes successful. Some companies struggle because they provide poor customer service, fail to manage expenses, neglect employee training, delay response times, or perform low-quality installations that lead to repeated warranty work. Others underestimate the importance of planning, inventory management, and financial control. Long-term success depends on delivering consistent quality, maintaining customer trust, and managing the business professionally.
Can owning an HVAC company be profitable? Yes, an HVAC company can be profitable when it is managed effectively. Success comes from combining technical expertise with strong customer service, efficient operations, skilled employees, proper financial planning, and continuous training. Companies that focus on quality work and long-term customer relationships are generally better positioned for sustainable growth than those focused only on short-term sales.
Owning an HVAC company is much more than selling air conditioners. It's about building trust, delivering quality service, managing skilled technicians, controlling business expenses, and creating long-term relationships with customers. Whether you're planning to become an HVAC technician or start your own HVAC business, understanding the business side of the industry is just as important as learning the technical side. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.